To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Sportsman Highlifter, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and lock the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the left rear wheel, but do not remove. Elevate and safely support the vehicle. Refer to your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then remove the wheel and set aside. Continue by removing the left footwell push rivets. Then remove the 4 footwell fasteners while counter-holding the nuts underneath. Release the footwell from the fender tabs and pivot out of the vehicle. Next, loosen the front PVT duct clamp. Then, loosen the rear PVT duct clamp. Carefully pull the duct out of the vehicle. Next, remove the 4 fasteners retaining the lower left-hand frame support and remove from the frame. Take note of the orientation of this bracket, as it must be reinstalled in the same direction. Next, remove the seat to access the top PVT cover fastener. Remove the PVT cover fastener and set aside. Continue by removing the remaining 10 cover fasteners. Using care, pivot the PVT cover out and remove it from the wheel well. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Before removing the belt, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation for reinstallation if needed. Insert the clutch spreader tool into the driven clutch to spread the clutch sheaves. Ensure the tool is square with the movable sheave surface of the driven clutch. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch while opening the sheaves with the spreader tool as needed. Then, remove the belt from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage. Replace if needed. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. When reinstalling the belt, ensure the belt is installed in the same direction of travel. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outward when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the top of the driven clutch sheave. Continue working the drive belt onto the driven clutch, rotating clockwise while opening the sheaves as needed. When the belt is fully installed, rotate the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Then carefully reinstall the clutch cover, pivoting in from the wheel well and rotating over the driven clutch. Install the top clutch cover fastener and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the remaining clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retainers and pushing down in the rear. Next, reinstall the lower frame support, ensuring it is properly oriented. Reinstall the 4 frame fasteners and torque to specification. Next, carefully reinstall the PVT duct. Torque the duct clamps to specification, ensuring there are no leaks or gaps. Next, reinstall the footwell by pivoting it into place and locking it into the retention tabs in the fenders. Install the 4 footwell fasteners and nuts. Torque the fasteners to specification. Then, install 7 push rivets into the footwell. Continue by reinstalling the wheel on the wheel hub. Install the wheel lug nuts hand tight. Safely lower the vehicle to the ground. Finally, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.